Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change notification sound on Grindr application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change notification sound on Grindr, firstly go ahead and launch open your Grindr application. The home page of Grindr application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, click on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of your Grindr account. Scroll down and tap on Notification Settings. On the next page, click on Notification Management. From the Notification Management page, click on Ringtone and select the sound that you would like and tap on it. This is how you can change notification sound on Grindr application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.